Newton in trouble and sacked. First guy there was Tyler Davison. Onyemata was there at the end of it, and Newton got hit hard.
With Tyler Davison, he works across Ryan Khalil, the center, and Cam able to get away from him. You can see right up the gut. Cam trying to get away from him, and then he gets just smashed.
And he's now down on a knee. Looks to be out of it. He was going to the sideline and then just went down.
Well, that was a big time hit as he came around.
It was David Onyemata who's been getting better and better every week for the Saints. And Davison knocked him down anyway. His knee was down before the hit. But that was a big time collision with a big body, 6'4", 300 pounds of Onyemata. Meanwhile, their backup, Derek Anderson, he's been battling the flu all week.